One of the fastest growing tech categories has to be 3D printers. Over the last couple of years, we've seen a lot of different 3D printers hit the scene. Today, we're going to look at one that's a little different. It's going to 3D print food, namely pancakes. This here right in front of me is the Pancakebot. It's a 3D printer to print pancakes. Now, while I explain it, I'm just going to get started and start to print a pancake. So I'll press play over here, make sure I got the right design. Just going to get the Pikachu logo. So now it's going to get started. Now, the Pancakebot is a very interesting twist. We're seeing a lot of 3D printers that say they can print food. This is the first one we've ever tried. And it's very, very interesting. It's using the same type of technology as you would see in any 3D printer, but instead of plastic spools, it's using batter, pancake batter. Now, the batter in the Pancakebot has to be perfect. The consistency has to be well balanced. It can't be too clumpy. It can't be too runny. So you got to take a lot of time to make sure you get the batter right. After that, you see there's a griddle here on the bottom, and it's already got its temperature up as you would if you were creating pancakes at home the old-fashioned way. On the top, though, you have this batter, and it is printing with the little piece on the bottom that is a nozzle that is basically going up and down like any other 3D printer does. Now, you got to understand that this is the first generation of this type of technology. So out of the gate, don't expect to make the perfect pancake. There's a lot of trial and error involved. In fact, I'd have to give a lot of shout outs to our producers, both Paul and Sherry, because they spent a lot of time trying to get this batter perfect to make this printout. Now, it takes a couple of minutes. It doesn't take too long, and at some point, you're going to have to flip it. One thing that we're finding, though, is it's hard to tell when is the right time to flip. So expect to do a lot of trial and error because you have a whole bunch of different options. You can adjust the pressure of the nozzle on this side here on the left where the power button is, and you could also adjust the heat of the griddle on the right side, right where the nozzle is. The great thing about the Pancakebot is that there is an SD card slot on the side that allows you to put in a wide variety of different types of logos and designs to print. There also is a USB slot here that you can hook a computer up if you want to make your own designs and then push it into the Pancakebot. There is a huge community online that are creating all these different types of logos and giving tips and tricks, and I highly recommend that you read those posts to get it right. Otherwise, you're going to be doing a lot of trial and error to get your pancakes just right. If you love technology, if you love 3D printers, and you love pancakes, you might want to give this a try. It's the Pancakebot, a 3D printer that makes pancakes.